Hi friends, this is Rajnikant Excel Guru, and this query is asked by one of our friend in Facebook to match the names. To match the names. Okay, I will drag this to there so you can see clearly. To match the names. Okay. If it is there, then it has to say yes, else it has to say no. Okay. So I did with a conditional format. If it is matches, it has to show yellow with red, or if it is not matches, it has to show red with white. Okay. So this is the new method which I am going to show you. Not with if logical functions. Okay, that's it. So I'll explain it clearly. Don't skip the video. Okay, here it is. So you have to match the records or names, whatever it may be. Okay. Wait a minute. I'll keep there only, no issues. Okay. So I will make a new method is equal to match. Lookup value will be this. I am matching this name with it's a relative reference. I am not locking or I am not freezing the row or column, comma. So it will show us the position where it occurs. Control shift down arrow to select all the names. F4 to lock row as well as column, because I have to drag the formula down. If I did not lock, so it will also move relatively. So for that reason I locked the row and column. Exact match. Okay, exact match. Control enter. Double click. So name 3 is not available, name 4 is not available, name 5 is available, as well as name 1 and 2 is also available in this record, in this name. Okay. So what I do, I log the column but not the row. Okay, just to show you, I log this column but not the row. Okay, because when I drag formula, it has to check each and every name in downwards. Okay, control enter. It's not an array function. I drag formula down, it will show the same answer 13. Position, it is a position. If it matches, it will show the position. If it is not matches, it will show us NA error. Okay, so I copy this formula, control C, escape. I'll select this data. Control shift down arrow, alt HLL, shortcut key for conditional format. Control V, I paste the formula, format, bold, fill with yellow, and font will be the red. If it matches, it has to show us like this. Okay, let's see. If the names matches with that record. Okay, and another thing is same formula I'll do like this. Control shift right arrow, control shift down arrow, alt HLN. Okay, alt OD, new rule here, coming to here, control V. I type is error. Now you have to show the record which is not available. Okay, format with bold, fill with red, and font will be the white. Okay, if it is error, it will show like this. Okay, let's see. Apply. Okay, if it is not matches, it will show yellow with red. If it is not matches, it will show red with white. So in conditional format, number considered non-zero numbers considered as a true. non-zero numbers. Okay. Now what he needs to say yes or no. Okay. I'll delete this one. Have to only I type if only. I will not type any logical. So it will understand that number. If it is a number, then we have to show yes, comma. If the error is other than number, anything other than number. If it is other than number, it will show us no. It's not an array function, it's a normal function, control enter. So here it will show no. It has to show no actually. I don't know, something went wrong here. It has to show no over here. Have to. This is number, yes. This is not a number. It has to show, actually it has to show no. But I don't know why it is not showing no. Okay, I will do in another method. Let's try with another method. If error, so it will show the numbers. So you have to take if is number, if is number, if is number, if is number, yes, else no. It has to work actually. I don't know why it's not working. It has to work. If it is number, yes. If it is not a number, no. What wrong I did? Okay, I have to use number. Yes. Logical. Okay. I have to close bracket here. Logical test. Yes. If it is true, yes. If it is false, no. I will remove another control enter. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.